How to change language in NotebookLM. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language in NotebookLM. Since NotebookLM uses Google account settings for language preference, you will need to ensure that you are logged in with the correct account. Here, if you are using the Chrome browser, then you can simply click on the profile icon at the right side of the NotebookLM page and here select Manage your Google account option. And if you are using other browsers, then you will need to open a new tab on your browser and there look for Google account settings. In the search bar, enter Google account settings and then search for it. Now in this page, you'll be able to see Manage your Google account option. Simply click on this option. Also click on this link Manage your Google settings, which is support.google.com. Once you select one of these options, this will take you to your Google account page. Here, once you reach to this page, at the left side, you'll be able to see Personal Info option. Simply click on this Personal Info and this will present you your personal information. Now here, scroll all the way down until you locate the language option. Once you locate this language option, which is under General Preferences for the web, you will need to simply click on it. And then here, you'll be able to see the pencil icon right next to the language that you have selected. Simply click on it and then enter the language. From the list here, scroll to find the one that you would like to set. Once you have selected the language, choose the option and then click on the save option right here. After that, you will see the language has been changed. Now after changing the language, you can simply return back to the NotebookLM tab and here refresh the browser. Now the interface will display in your selected language. So by following these steps, you can successfully change the language setting in NotebookLM to enhance your experience. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.